So guys, I'm sorry I'm a little late on the recording, but
Enemies are dropping into the area. Target down. Marking the rest of them.
oh, we're right here. Oh no, he's not. Yo, where are all the SMGs at? I don't know. He's right behind me.
Squad mates back on
He's
station.
right behind me, isn't he?
Reloading. Enemy UAV is online. Enemy destroyed. Attack map to hunt down the rest of them. Good kill. Marking the rest of that squad on your attack map. Get
He's
hunted.
right behind me, isn't he?
It's all on you. Stay alive so your squad can
Chat, is it
redeploy.
all on me? Or is it all on me? Okay. Let me get that shotty there, cause come up. Damn, done. I'm done for no. Oh my god. Team's actually done. You got that team? Oh shoot. Am I done? Damn it. His teammates can. Oh, I had him, bro. Yeah, I need to play some solos. Oh wait, I don't like. I got to be in there right now. That's how they win the games, cause I play solos, so it's easy. Alright, I got it.
Go get after it.
I'm over my team right now. Let's go. W teammate. I had to sacrifice my life, bro. Oh no. That was good. Oh my god. That's weird. Like, why are you... Someone needs to be somewhere else. Are you serious? We got the foldable.
Enemy dropping in.
We got the foldable one.
Squad mates back
We
on
got the
station.
foldable.
Good work.
Strike set. Shock out.
16 rounds. Out.
Yeah, I'm out of there.
Hostile UAV in the area.
Ooh. Touched him.
Your squad mates redeployed. Well done.
Oh, my aim, bro.
That squad. Hunt them
My
down.
aim's garbage.
You have reinforcements inbound. Target grid empty. Negative BDA.
Yo, what? Nah. I was riding his sight too.
Grenade.
Nah, that's actually lucky, bro. Maybe. Alright. Hey, drop a follow and a sub. Wait, follow.
Let's get to
What am I
work.
even talking about? Drop a sub if you wanna see more videos like this. And I don't think I'm gonna win this game because my teammates or I kinda am trash. You feel me? We got the nail gun. You feel me?
Enemy UAV overhead. Your squad mate is redeploying. Well done.
I don't want
Enemy
to
UAV
use
is online.
the nail gun now. A W team? Maybe. Yo. It's not worth it to keep on dying if there's a whole squad there. Like, that's just stupid, you know? Oh, I need one of those armor plate thingies.
Patching field
Your
upgrade.
squad mates back on station. Good
That's not what I
work.
thought it was.
Enemy soldier incoming.
I don't know if it was like 3 or 1. Okay. Oh my god. Yeah, bro. I'm not pushing that.
Enemy UAV is
I gotta
online.
let one come to me and then like
You have
push.
reinforcements inbound.
I'm hit.
Yup. Me. You gotta have my teammate.
Target down. Marking the rest of it. You're the last one standing,
Yeah, I'll take that car.
soldier.
Switching
Survive
mags.
until your squad can
I'll take that.
redeploy. Your squad mates
Okay.
redeploying. Well done. Enemies are dropping into the area. Watch the sky. Down to you, soldier. Stay sharp.
Okay.
Tagging field upgrade.
Oh, pop that UV.
TACOM, I need eyes overhead.
Oh my. Oh.
Your squad mates back on station.
Oh, I should have pushed that. Nah, his team's. I'm gonna push up there. For me. Okay.
Gotta move.
So I could like push, but then if I kill one, I gotta run. Like I gotta get out of there. Like I'm out of there. But yeah, at least drop a 10 bomb or 15 bomb.
Enemies dropping into the
At
area.
least.
Fire rounds active. Five station fighters adjusted.
A W teammate, bro. A W teammate. Hey, there should be a kid up here. Oh. He escaped.
Overhead.
Yeah. I'm not rushing that. Reload.
Reloading.
Blazed out. This is kind of, that car is kind of bad. I don't
Surgeons
know
is
why.
about to end. Make
Like
it
bad. Yeah, I was gonna do the same thing.
hostile UAV in the area. Get to the safe zone. Gas is inbound.
Vendetta. Knock that shit
Ooh.
off. Switching mags.
AWs?
Your squad mate is redeployed. Well done. Fire sales done. Prices are back to normal.
Fuck, bro.
Smoke deployed.
You've got a loadout drop inbound.
Requesting recon above.
Standing by. UAV available for that team.
2. Where's my third one? Oh my god! Yo, what? Yo, that's so weird. I'm dropping one right here.
Surgeons is locked.
Oh my!
Chances.
Thanks for the work. UAV overflight terminated. Priority tasking requested team. UAV exiting AO.
What? Already?
UAV standing by.
Oh yeah. Get a UAV on grid.
Enemy UAV.
UAV on grid. I know, right? Oh. Oh, so he was flying. There's no kids over there. That's around this. Because there's no kids.
PID on target. Got a mover. Loading new bag.
TACOM.
Got a mover.
Your squad made it to the safe zone.
Bro, that's so dumb. Oh my god, bro.
Only 10 were left.
Alright, I'm just gonna post this video because I'm not doing that video. Alright. So, I don't even think you guys need to class up, but make sure to like and subscribe for more content like this. And I'll be pasting daily. Definitely daily, maybe. Maybe not, like, probably, definitely daily on the weekends, though. This is a class up for the car. And then, this is the thing. This is my usual one with the Ladra. I use the Ladra and the Growl, the 5.56. You can find the 5.56 in Marksman Rifles. SWAT 5.56, and you have to get the conversion kit. See? And I also use that. And you can just check class setup. And then, yeah, nail gun. Now, this is with 3 plates. Let me show you. That's with 3 plates. I'm just leveling up the car. 56. Wait, is that 3 plates? Yeah, it is. But yeah, don't recommend nail guns, but I just used it for this video. But yeah. But see you guys in the next one. Peace. Peace.